a tale long twisted, wraith in the darkness, fate so conflicted. Hooded, cloaked in shadows that catch the light, formless, drifting through eternal night. Cold steel, a ring that binds and twists, specter in the abyss, nothing but mist. Living dead, heartless, empty eyes gaze, fangs of pain lost in an endless space. Wretched specter, darkened days, slave to despair, trapped in misery's haze. Daggers glint, but no warmth to feel. Spectral steps silent, no sound to heal. Servant to a master, veiled in dread's appeal. Ghost in the saga, cursed and surreal. Ancient whispers chilling through the core, bound to darkness, seeking nevermore. Eternal servitude, knocking death's door. Ringwraith roams, sorrow to explore. Living dead, heartless, empty eyes gaze, fangs of pain lost in an endless space. Wretched specter, darkened days, slave to despair, trapped in misery's haze. Living dead, heartless, empty eyes gaze, phantom pain lost in an endless space. Wretched specter, darkened days, slave to despair, trapped in misery's haze. Living dead, heartless, empty eyes gaze, phantom pain lost in an endless space. Wretched specter, darkened days, slave to despair, trapped in misery's haze.